Daddy, Mommy, Tia.
Dito lang kami sa ticket booth. Hoy, yung mga bata. Jaya. Bicol. Ticket booth number 1. Bicol.
Yan, Bicol. Saan ka mo, ma'am?
Diet po. Tapos na kami magpa-book. June 13. 9:30 PM kasi yung may CR. Sabi Jaya. So yung may CR is 9:30 PM lang. Kaya no choice. Kundi yung 9:30 pang gabi. Ang gusto sana namin pang umaga kaso lang CR. Sabi Jaya. Oh wait Jaya, wait. Oh, get mo.
Nasaan yung ulo?
Ayun o. Ay, ito. Dali. Close mo. Give to Jonah na. Ang init sa loob ng PDX. Hindi aircon yung iba. So, papunta kami MOA. Kakain kami doon saka maglalaro sila.
Yay!
Sa playground. Punta kami ng MOA. Tapos na kami mag-book. JW joke, no? Dito kami sa Chinese community. Ang Pasay. Chinese community nito puro Chinese na. MOA. Parang bagong building rin to. Matagal na ba yan? Resort World ba yan?
Matagal na yan? Bahay din ng mga Chinese.
Pero parang medyo angat yung Chinese kasi wala mga sinampay. Walang sinampay sa labas. Hello, Padge.
Hello.
What are you wearing?
Huh?
What are you wearing?
Apron. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging you. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello, Team Buday.
Team Buday. Team Budiday.
Team Budiday.
What's your name?
My name is Bernice. Nice to meet you. And I'm the cousin of Jaya.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
Yes.
Where's your chef cup?
I don't have one.
The white one.
What?
The cup on the head.
I don't have one.
You must have because you look like a chef. Where are we going?
Moa!
Can you tour us?
Huh?
Can you tour us to MOA?
Yes.
Can you you're the tourist guide.
Yes.
Okay, you say we're here in MOA Arena. Like
We're
that.
here in Mall of Asia Arena.
What we see in what's that? IKEA.
Yes, that's IKEA. And only for basketball.
You're a tour guide.
Huh? Yes, that is IKEA.
Sa mga ayusin doon sa bahay. Talaga yung malaki.
Yay. That's
We're here? We're here? Huh?
Yeah.
Yay.
Saan ba namin?
SM Convention Center.
yes.
I excited.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator, Team Budiday.
Ano na kami sa MOA?
Hello, Team Budiday! Wow!
kami sa Decathlon. Kasi, bibili ako ng rubber shoes sa papa niya. Matibay kasi dito.
Welcome to our tent. This is our tent. I'm here so Let me show us to the big tent. Let me show you to the big tent. Big tent, big tent. Do you know I already buy this? I have this. Yeah. I have this tent. Okay guys, so I have this tent. See? Sorry vlog.
Ha?
Rose. Bye. Saan nakita tao dito?
Bibili ako ng running shoes ng asawa ko kasi kakawa naman, walang sapatos. So yung Decathlon kasi medyo matibay. Bibili ako. Hello. Running Man. 40 to 40. Pangit lang kulay. Magkano to? 1,290. Bili tayo. Keep run. Keep run. Keep run. Ay. Ito, magkano? Mahal. 2,990. Maganda sana to, kasi ang mahal 3,000. 2,690. 1,490. Tapos na kaming kumain. Let's go! Hindi pwede. Pag may binili lang yun. Pauwi na kami. Pagkatapos, ang lakad lang namin, nag-book kami, saka binili kami ng bow namin para bukas sa biyahe. So ngayon, pauwi na kami. Jaya. Bershka. Kulit ang kasama ko ang ingay. Bye! Jonah, bye-bye! Bye-bye!